Hey, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use the incognito mode on Google Maps. Why would you want to know how to use the incognito mode on Google Maps? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Maps and not sure how to use the incognito mode on Google Maps. So today I am going to show you how to use the incognito mode on Google Maps. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Using incognito mode on Google Maps is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open the Google Maps app. You are seeing profile icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Here you are seeing turn on incognito mode. By clicking on Turn on Incognito mode, you will be able to use Google Maps with incognito mode. You can turn it off when you want. Just click on Turn off and your incognito mode will be turned off. So there you go. If you were wondering how to use the incognito mode on Google Maps, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.